Karen got stuck down in Austin, Texas because of the huge ice storm that they had. All the flights were canceled. Here is all the ice before it melted. But guess what? She did film an awesome video for us about the Austin downtown area. And this is before she had weather that, you know, we get here in Kansas City. So please enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, just dropped off stuff at the hospital for my friend, and this starts day 2 or 3 or whatever this is of driving around Austin without Linda. So right now I'm driving you down South Congress Street. Pretty soon we'll get into the little hip neighborhood that everybody goes to, and there'll be the little bridge that all the bats fly out from, but I've never done that, nor do I want to. I really don't. But I'll drive around a little bit so you can have a look-see at what Austin looks like. If you can see it way there in the distance, but it's a Capitol building. There's Torchy's Tacos right there in the corner, which, let me tell you, their catchphrase is damn good tacos, and they're right. They are really good tacos. Not nearly as packed as yesterday or the day before when I drove by here. It was just teeming with people. And then coming up here, right by where the bus is, one of the best pizza places ever. And I mean ever is... Let's see, he's on pause, so I'm gonna go around him. Can't quite see it around the bus. One of the best places for pizza in all of Austin is right there. It's called Home Slice. It is delish. There's always a line. This is the weird part of keep Austin weird. Yeah, there it is. Home Slice. Yummy, yummy, yummy pizza. So straight up the street from me is the Capitol building, which I am not going to go to today. But that is it's the capital of Texas, Austin. Downtown skyline. It's pretty. Just town's just a little too weird for me, I think. So I hang a left down here. Take you by some of the parks.
know if you can see the palm trees. It's just weird. So if you come down here, you're going to want to turn left on Barton Springs, and it'll take you up by Zilker Park. Lots of construction going on down here. Coming on our left, I feel like a tour gun, is a Whataburger, which Patrick Mahomes likes. Now, if you don't know who Patrick Mahomes is, I can't be friends with you. But Patrick Mahomes loves Whataburger so much, he's bringing them to the Kansas City area. Because he, of course, is a Texas boy. Look at all those palm trees. Am I in Southern California? What is the deal? It's just bizarre. This is Lamar, and if you want an In-N-Out burger and you want to drive, I don't know, several blocks to the left, which I guess is south, you can go to the In-N-Out burger down there by the hospital. There is a P. Terry's over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little 50s diner kind of thing. And again, I just want to say how gorgeous the weather is in Austin in the winter. Not exactly sure. This is called the Scenic Drive, or at least I think it is. But I think I found my neighborhood in Austin. It is beautiful. Of course, not like I can afford these houses, but stunning. Or a lake view. I'm not sure what it is. There's Scenic Drive right there. Don't know what this is, but it's beautiful. Would you look at this? They've got their own little stairway across. My word. Yeah, Cal. Get to writing and selling your books, honey. I've picked out my house. Guys, where are you going? Hi. What you doing? I don't know if this view is doing it justice, but it is absolutely, totally stunning up here. It's just stunning. Stunning. Ouch.
Okay, and that's the end of day one of Karen driving you around Austin. Here is the second day, and it's a little cloudier and a little rainier.
These are good.